Hey guys, welcome to the in-depth ALGO AI tutorial. Before we start, we highly suggest that you check the education channel if you have purchased the indicator and the WAP channel if you are having issues purchasing or claiming your items. Both of those channels are available on our free Discord, link in bio. Without further ado, let's get started. After you're done with your purchase, open TradingView, go to Indicators, and then click on Invite Only. That's where you will find the indicator. Now open it to get started. It might take a minute to show up, so be patient. Once it loads up, the first thing we are going to do is switch the candle pattern to Heikin Ashi. We do this in order to prevent fake-out trades as much as possible. By using Heikin Ashi, it's easier for the algorithm to predict trends, resulting in more accurate signals. Now that that's done, let's get on with the settings. The first and most important thing is the sensitivity. Which one you choose to trade on is up to you, and we advise you to play around with different sensitivities before making a final decision. Keep in mind that the lower the sensitivity, the more signals it will give you. Moving on, the risk percent is only used to calculate the profit shown on the table, so you don't need to pay it much attention. Account size is pretty self-explanatory. You just need to type in your account balance. It's important that you do that so that the indicator can give you an accurate lot size. Risk per trade is also used to calculate your lot size, so make sure you put whatever percent you want to risk. We advise to use 0.5% risk. The next section is the super trend. This part can be used as extra confirmation before entering a trade, and we have already made a file in which we explain the strategy. If you would like to see a video on the said strategy, make sure to tell us in the comments below. The last part of the indicator is the SMC section. This part can be used just as the super trend, so you can come up with your own unique strategy. By using change of characters, FVGs, order blocks, and so on, as confirmation before entering a trade. If you don't know what FVGs, order blocks, etc. are, you can read more about them from our free ebook. Going back to the settings, you will see the real-time internal structure. That's basically a change of character and break of structures. Of course, you can filter what you want to be shown and even the size of the text. The next thing is real-time swing structure. It shows you when a swing structure got broken and it created a swing change of character, as well as strong and weak highs and lows. Then there are order blocks. You can choose between two types of order blocks and play around with the colors to make them to your liking. The equal highs and lows are simple too. If you want, you can adjust the threshold. However, we suggest keeping it low as it will show more accurate results. Next up are the fair value gaps. Keep in mind that the indicator will only show FVGs that have not been filled yet. The highs and lows MTF will show you the highest and lowest points of the last day, week, month. And lastly, we have premium and discount zones. Here you can only play around with the colors if the default ones are not to your liking. This sums up the tutorial. We recommend using or developing a strategy rather than blindly following all signals. While we strive to create a high-performing indicator, the market's unpredictability means that a 100% win rate is not achievable. If there are any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments or in our free Discord. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching.